Hello folks, welcome to another daily Bitcoin market analysis by Inspocrypto. Today it's going to be a very quick one because I just have 50 minutes and then I have a business meeting. That's the bad news. The good news is I have to cancel my business trip tomorrow and even Monday. So yes, I'm going to provide a daily analysis and a chilled one. I will have more time because I'm not going to work. I have off Friday and Monday and can prevent more information. That's a good thing. The bad thing, what the chart is indicating. It's so crazy because I tweeted today and I said, hey, okay, it's fine. We are below 21.8, 21.5 is still possible, but Jesus, they are really pushing and pushing and pushing. And I have said if we break 21.5, 21.8, 21.5, then it's over. So if these guys, and it looks like they really are extremely motivated to break this one, I mean, just check the daily. The next one, it's 19, so we should bounce at 20k and then afterwards even go more down because we had the POC here, but we are breaking it. It's so wow. You know, people said I'm so bearish. This time I was, it seems, just too bullish. They have a plan, and yeah, it seems they are doing everything just to go more down. I didn't notice any more bad news, only those we had already on the table. So it's really crazy. We will see how far they want to go, but if we break this one, we will go down. At least, as mentioned, I would expect here the next bounce at 20k and then even go more down because we had the POC here. We break this one with this really big candle, and afterwards we went to the next local POC. So what's next? I mean, we have a POC here. That would be the next between 20,400 and 20,000. And if we break this one, and that should be the consequence, then we should go down to 19.2. If we break this one, I don't need to tell you what will happen. And I remember when I said, if we break 21.5, if we break 21.8, 17k will be the next. And yes, I mean, these guys are right now more bearish than I was. Because I really was expecting, hey, it seems some stablecoins are coming in, but it seems much more to buy the local dip. And they are really buying meanwhile, or it seems they are really bringing some resistance to the chart. But yeah, the distribution is just bigger. However, they need to break it. I mean, at the moment it looks like we need to retest 21.5 and then go down, and that could hard. So we will see what's going to happen next. Let us go straight to the next chart. And we have 50 minutes, guys. 50 minutes. It's going to be, I guess, one of the most fastest daily Bitcoin analysis by Inspocrypto. So let us start. We can see that once again, the weights ratio 1 day time frame went up to 60. I mean, and that's why it's bouncing once again. We need to see what's going to happen here. So it doesn't look great, really not, because the weights ratio 30 days moving average was alarming us. It was saying, hey, we are preparing something big. So you will remember the options yesterday? I was struggling. How the fuck 14, 15, no, 14, 12, 14, 16. Expecting 14k until end of April. And yes, we are doing really so, I mean, we are not making big nukes. I mean, we had one, it was very, March 3rd, but since then, it's looking like a softly distribution, pushing up more, and every time when I think, okay, now it seems it's going to flip, you know? I'm not thinking we will moon afterwards. I mean, you know, I'm not bullish. But at least, because only down doesn't exist, like only up, well, yeah, only up, we had only up from beginning of January until actually end of January. So it's possible that we will do something similar now, but the opposite way. Means more down, more down, more down takes a little bit more because it's distributing. They are not using, it seems, a lot of futures because of that. But also something we will check later on. However, here it looks relatively unchanged to yesterday. Then I have tweeted something. Hey, it dumped once, it dumped twice. The weights ratio 1 hour time frame usually indicating they will push up. And they tried, and they failed. And that's crazy. I mean, we didn't have that just before, and it seems they are really pushing and pushing, distributing more. It's just the case. That's everything. So we will see sometimes even the 1 hour time frame has such kind of delay. We will see, but in my opinion, at the moment, just at 21.4, it's extremely critical. So in my opinion, and that's, you know, I mean, here, stablecoin reserves and centralized exchanges pushing up. If we check, for example, the weights ratio 30 hours moving average was declining, almost bouncing at 80. And the price is declining and declining. Right now, 81%, indicating more weights are sending bitcoins right now. That's a little bit surprising me. But, yeah, I mean, what should I say? Let us go forward. So, if we take a look here, the first thing we can see is we have received yesterday afternoon here a bunch of bitcoins, 2,500 here, then 4,200 bitcoins afterwards. At the same time, also the outflows. So don't clear if that was internal operations. Sometimes I think they are waiting. Someone is waiting, and I don't know who is there waiting. Hey, look, we received 4,000 bitcoins. Okay, come on, just send some stablecoins to buy them. It feels like, but well, it is what it is. Right now, another 4,000 bitcoins, 4,300 bitcoins received in the last 3 hours, and once again, 160 millions came in. They arrived on centralized exchanges to spot once again, so to absorb them. And that's the most strange thing, to be honest. But yeah, someone is maintaining the price, otherwise they would nuke the market, but it's not happening. It's right now not happening. And you know, every single time, I don't know really if that was an internal one, because I'm seeing, for example, on Coinbase, they sent 4,000, and just few minutes later you see 2,000 outflows, 1,000 outflows, twice 500 bitcoins outflow, and you say, okay, what is that? Is that wash trading or something? I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe. However, also here we are done. Let us go forward. So let us start here. Funding rate. We remember up, down, up, and again down and up. And right now it looks like it wants to go down. Open interest. A little bit different. Just down, then up. Down, liquidated a lot. Down, and it looks like it wants to go up. And the most interesting part here is leverage ratio. Down, up. They liquidated a lot, so crash, then up like crazy, and now declining. So yeah, someone is using extremely high leverage. Also open interest lifting up, not that big like the leverage ratio, while the funding rate was declining and now lifting up. So maybe I'm not that wrong and we will go up once again. I had to adapt to the price and had to hedge. So at the moment, I'm more on the short side than on the long side. But I need to check what's happening next, because this level at 21.5 is extremely critical. If we break, if we retest and it's confirmed and we get reject to break to the upside, we will go down. And that will hurt. And I don't want to be on the wrong side, to be honest. So hedge. Hedge is my best friend at the moment. If we take a look to stablecoins, 62 millions, more outflows, 80 millions, but 2,300 bitcoins on derivative exchanges, another 1,600 bitcoins here, and another 2,360 bitcoins outflows here. So we need to make that here, and then it looks like they are using for quick profit Bitcoin collaterals at the moment. If we go forward, we can see yesterday they liquidated 1,026 bitcoins in longs and 200 bitcoins in shorts. So nothing big, really nothing big. So leverage ratio is lifting up, open interest is declining, funding rate is lifting up. I would say someone is using high leverage longs, and that usually brings the opposite of what they are expected, because it's easy to liquidate them. We will take a look to the Kingfisher and high leverage positions. In my opinion, it should be on the short side, but we will take a look and see what they are indicating here. So let us take a look first of all to the blockchain whispers. Oh my god. I hope you I hope that's not you guys, just because I tweeted. I would, I'm usually never ever tweeting trading signals. But I mean, we are not done. It's not done. It doesn't mean only because we are still struggling at 21.5. It just really look very bearish at the moment, but it's still, we need a little bit more patience. At least I would expect to go up hitting 22k. At least there. But we will see. It seems it takes a little bit longer. However, 700 million shorts versus 1.7 billion in longs. Jesus, that's more bearish than the chart is. So 71 to 29, that's crazy. And I mean, on Ethereum looks once again better with 65 to 35. If we take a look on Bitfinex, wow, I mean, they are reducing longs. I guess they'll liquidate some, but at the same time, they are buying, spot buying, and closing their hedge longs. Also possible, you remember when we went up, the longs were increasing on Bitfinex. And usually sometimes that means these guys are selling spot, just the price up, and hedging with the long. It's possible. However, 26 million, it's peanuts, of course, compared to the 2.2 billion, but just a few days ago we had 22 millions. If we take a look now to the Kingfisher. Come on, Kingfisher. I don't have any time. Let us speed up here. So, yeah. We have 100 million in liquidations. And if I take a look here, 23.1 is 68 millions. The biggest on the short side keeps being here at 33, and on the long side would be here with 84 million liquidation at 60k. So if we now take a look to the high leverage positions, okay, 18 millions at 22k. What? If they are not going to liquidate that here, I really don't know. I really don't know. But usually I would say that's fresh food for the shark. Wow, that's crazy. That's really, really crazy. Let us go forward. So 2180 at the moment. 2180. Let us see. We can check here. We can see what Binance is doing. For example, yeah, let us take a look from here to the current one. 95 millions. That's the aggregated. So what did I say from here? The aggregated is indicating 106 million, so a little bit more. If we go to the BUSD, that's really a very funny 40 millions. It's CBD, I mean, that's crazy. And then USD. And USD indicating here, wow, 46 millions. Now, let us take a look. Bitcoin collateral, a lot of shorts. They are selling shorts here. 357, and now the most important one, stablecoin futures. 1.59 billions. That's stuff. That's really stuff. But we know they, I mean, if we take a look now, we can say almost 20%, right? So 106 millions, 106, 150, 200 millions, and USDC 250 millions, and we have here almost almost 2 billions. It's 10%, a little bit more than 10%. Only, you know, a spot versus derivative once again. So yeah, I don't know, to be honest. So we need to see. We really need to see. So if we go forward, you know, BUSD, BTC on Binance, everything down at the moment. Bitfinex selling, not bad. Bybit selling, Coinbase selling, also interesting. Not bad, not big, but they are selling. Bitstamp finally also selling. Okay, they reacted with delay. So do you think the price will go down? Yeah. You should sell. Yeah, you think. Look, we are nuking. But you think that's us? Okay, I will sell. However, Kraken also selling at the moment. Gemini buying. These guys are brave. They have balls. Are pussies, but Gemini guys, they are really, and they have 4 balls because, you know, are two brothers, so they, you know, they are brave. And JP Morgan said, we are going to cut off any ties with Gemini. And Gemini said, fuck off. I'm going to buy all Bitcoins out there, man. Yeah. It looks a little bit different, but someone, I mean, it's not big. We don't know. I mean, what was here? 64, the volume here, another 60, and it's not big at all, but yeah. So let us go forward. Let us check. And something that's really, really crazy is a lot of Tether is leaving the exchanges. And I don't know why. Another 20 million, another 20 million, another 20 million. I mean, blue is outflows, yellow is inflows. Only here, USDC, 30 millions coming in, but you can see a lot of blue happening, a lot. And if we take a look, that's the aggregated. We had here 690 millions in inflows, and afterwards 528 millions in outflows. I don't know why. I mean, we had a lot of different red flags and they didn't care, and now they care? Why? Or is something on the way? We don't know yet. So if we take a look, these guys are on Gemini, it seems. This guy's declining a little bit, this guy is lifting up a little bit, this guy's declining a little bit. Market maker looks like someone would say, hey, they are buying. We will check. These guys declining. When these guys are lifting up and these guys are declining, usually we know what I have explained yesterday. So, and that's something we will check right now. And market makers here, they receive more wallets from these guys here. And yeah, so if we take a look here from when they receive more wallets from these guys here. No, they declined. Yeah, it's exactly they. So someone is buying. Once again, this entity, it seems, is buying. It's buying. And that's why they, I mean, at least we can see then, let us check, show metric. What they received as well. It's going to be a little bit hard now to say from, but I think these guys are buying. These guys are buying, shifting and shifting to the market maker entity. So while the biggest ones, it seems, are more on the sell side at the moment, on the bearish one. So we will see, right? We will see. Okay, we can take a look. Oh yeah, I was too busy today once again. Okay, the market maker entities reducing once again their balances. Oh, 1,900. Oh, 3,000. Oh, 800. And sending more. Oh, 5,000-6,000 bitcoins on market maker. What is happening? Voice ratio yesterday. Bitfinex lifted up, Gemini lifted up, Bitstamp lifted up. If we take a look to Coinbase, yeah, lifted up to 57, but nothing big, and even Kraken lifted up. So indicating, you know, weights also there very active. Nothing to see here. Wow, funds. What happened here? I mean, it's not big, but okay, crazy. And once again, spot, less futures. It's spot, more spot. Spot. They are selling, guys. They are selling. They are not using futures like they did just to go up. That's not good. That's not good. Yeah, we received more stablecoins, but that's it. Okay, we are done here. Let us go forward. So we can see at the moment they're, you know, waiting here 21k and looking if they can, I don't know what they want to do there, but if they are at least holding here, because otherwise 20k would be the next step. And yeah, it would be possible. How does, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, okay, that makes sense. Okay, 21k, didn't notice that. So go up to 21.6 from here and then go more down would be also a potentially potential scenario. However, we will see. On Coinbase waiting at 20 to the upside, thin air. So we have here a 22, but that's almost it. If we go to Bitstamp, oh yeah, we are reaching the sandwich, 20,500. Also here at the moment, nothing big happening. BTC USDT on Binance. Right now protecting 21.5 and waiting on 22k. Otherwise you can see a lot of stuff waiting there. 20,500, 20,000, and no, 20,230 and 20,000. So it looks like these guys really want to visit 20k before the day goes to an end, it seems. I don't know, but it looks like. So it's a little bit crazy what they are doing, but I have said they accumulated so many bitcoins on centralized exchanges that yeah, it could it could happen, and it seems it's happening. So also here nothing. BTC BUSD also here right now, waiting. Otherwise 20k. Bitfinex BTC USD. Oh, they are fighting. They are just looking to maintain the price. Otherwise 19k. Also waiting here 20, but almost 19k. OKEX spot. What the hell? Just to the upside, nothing to the downside? Okay, that's crazy. Kraken now waiting at 20k. It seems really directly to 20k. Nothing on Bybit BTC USD. Nothing on Bybit BTC USDT. Just what the hell? Nothing to the downside, but a lot to the upside. Okay, Bitfinex. No, sorry, BitMEX. BTC USD. Waiting at 20,800. And now Perp. Okay, they want to long everything here, it seems. Everything below 20,900 to 20,500. BTC BUSD at the same time also waiting here at 20,900, otherwise directly 20,000. Bitfinex derivatives right now waiting here 20,900, and the next one 18.2. Kraken futures the 18.5. Otherwise we have here something, nothing huge, but OKEX futures 20,500. Deribit, wow, on Deribit they have removed all these walls and directly 19.8. That's interesting. And that's it, guys. That's it.